Hey guys, Sam here at St.Albert Dodge. Today I have this beautiful 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie finished in a red pearl color. Looking absolutely great with its chrome grille here, LED headlights, fog lights. You got some hooks on the bottom, lots of park sense sensors across our front bumper here. Looking over the side, we have our chromed out 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter badging. You got your aluminum 20-inch tires with lots of tread left on those tires. You got some chrome running boards, chrome mirrors. They do have the blind spot monitoring as well as they are power foldable. Getting to the rear, we just see lots of nice chrome accents on the Laramie here. We do have a tonneau cover as well as a box liner on this guy. LED taillights, you got your dual exhaust, you got your hitch, 4 and 7 pin wiring harness, you got your soft dampening tailgate as well as your backup camera, as well as some park sense sensors on the bottom. Stick around and we'll check out the inside. Hey guys, here we are inside the 2019 Laramie here. First glance, you got this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. You got your hands-free controls on the left-hand side, cruise control and adaptive cruise control settings on the right. You got your volume adjuster on the rear of the right hand side, and on the rear of the left hand side you got your AM FM channel changer. On our door here we do have 2 select spots for memory seating. That way if you have more drivers than one, you guys can each have your setting. Power folding mirrors, we got power windows and locks right here. Take a look over here, we got our stop start button, our beautiful dial shifter to save you some space in the console. We got our 4-wheel drive settings, trailer brake settings right there. You got lane keep assist. We do have our 12-inch Uconnect setup right here. It does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do got lots of switches and everything here for our park sense if you want to switch it off for whatever reason. In our center console area here, you'll notice we have lots of space and lots of place to charge. You got a couple micro USB as well as USB-C ports right there. You actually have a CD player if you are still kind of in that wave, and then down in here you actually have a 12-volt outlet. In the console you have this top tier compartment with another USB port in there, as well as the bottom tier with lots of room for your coins and whatever knickknacks you might have. Got a couple cup holders right here. You can move this and you do have all of the room you need right below. As you can see with our seat here, we do have this really nice Laramie stitching. You got the gray piping, and then on all these stress areas on the Laramies, you do get this nice suede insert so you don't got to worry about your leather cracking. Take a look over here. We do have kind of a dual glove box going on. Got lots of space for whatever you might need. And also on this truck, we do have a beautiful dual pane sunroof as well as a rear sliding window. Stick around and we'll check out the back. Hey guys, here we are in the back. So as you can see, we do have lots of space. Same black leather seats as in the front, obviously. You do have some cup holders that come out, as well as a bit of a console back here for whatever the back seat passengers might need to bring along with them. Put that right back. We all put these seats up. It does give you access to a little bit more room. You do have this little divider here for whatever you might want to put underneath your seats. Pretty easy to put back down as well. Underneath our floor mat here, we also do have these boxes in the back that you can put pretty much anything you need in there. That way, maybe you want to put some drinks and some ice on a road trip or whatever, you'll be good to go, and you can just clean out the little box after rather than having to dig around in there and get it all clean. Pretty quick and easy. You do have some compartments on the back end here, a couple of cup holders for your rear passengers. This nice wood trim that I did forget to mention is on the front as well. These rear seats are heated. The front ones are heated and vented. That's another thing I kind of forgot to go over. You got lots more charging, another 12-volt outlet, as well as micro USB and USB-C ports. So this truck is absolutely loaded up, guys. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to give me a call on my cell at 780-905-1831. I'll be looking forward to talking to you guys. Have a good one.